So here we are on TradingView. The first thing we are going to do is create an account. So the first thing you want to do is put yourself a username in there and then click the next button. Once you've done that, you want to go to Launch Supercharts. You can do that by going into Products and clicking on Supercharts. You're going to be asked for your user ID so we can send you the indicator. All you need to do is go up to here and that's it there. So you just need us to send that username and then we'll be able to set you up with your indicator. When we get to the charts, we want to just click on the volume at the bottom, which is automatically put there, and just delete that so we have a completely clean screen. We have the daily chart up. You can see we're on Apple here. And then all we need to do is go to the right hand side and then we can start adding our different features, which would be what we want in our watch list. Really simple. Let's add something to the watch list. We click Add Simple and then do a search. Let's just say we want Amazon stock. Click on there and add it to your chart. Now you can see it's at the bottom here. All we need to do is just to move that up and put it to wherever we want it to be. Have a play around, add a lot of the stocks that you have a list for. We don't want the Forex on there. Let's just make sure that we get rid of anything to do with Forex. We can use these two. The other one we want is Sol. So there we go. We'll put that on there as well. Sol futures. We have that on here now. We can keep that under our crypto. We can keep our futures here. We want silver, gold and oil. Then we want our stocks. We don't really want SPX in here. In fact, we don't need any of these because these aren't what we're going to be trading. So we can just delete all of them and we can start adding as many stocks as we want to. There's another video to show you how to add the indicators simply under here. So we add the indicator from there, and then we want to set alerts. We simply add the alert from here. That's all you need to do on this. Now, when you don't have a fully paid plan and you're just having free, you only get so much data, which is fine because you don't really need much data for the daily chart because we're basically working on what's happened over the last 12 months. And as you can see, we get all of that here. Very simple. So don't forget, the one thing that's the most important is to send over your username so you can get access to the indicator. On here, you can go up to the top and you can save whatever layout you want. Now you can have different layouts. With the free version, you can have this layout and this layout. But once you get into these, it has to be a paid membership. So really, we only need to use this one anyway. So the single one, we don't really need to save it either. We just need to be able to use it to go through our different stocks, check them out, see where they are. The same with oil, gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. And that's it. Very simple. Again, there's nothing really complicated on this. I don't want to see this. But you can see it, and when you go on here, it'll give you a little bit of information on there. There's loads of bits on the side. That's where your alert's going to be. Loads of different types of information, chats. And there's also, of course, you've got your stock screener as well on the right hand side, which was going to be really invaluable to you, which we'll go through in another video.